hesitating, okay? Stop being afraid of the ball. The ball is afraid of you, all right? You gotta get a lot more aggressive. You're doing great out there, okay? All right. Good, take it, go, that's yours. Nobody's with you. Put it in. Kick it in. Oh. They keep stopping, they're doing this.
You know, take them other boys.
Yeah, no, they're playing much better today.
Oh, really? Self-assurance.
Alyssa, remember what we practiced? Talk to them. Tell them where to set up. Good. Just kick it. Get him. Get him. He's not better than you. Kick it across. Good. Turn it. Kick it hard. Go get it, Devin. Kick it down. Let it go. It's all right. Devin. Anytime you kick with the toe, it's corner kick, so you lift it. Okay? Kick, get down the line. Cover her. Cover her.
Oh, no.
Back down. Go throw it. Oh.
Can't throw it in on throw.
Yeah. No, what do you mean? You know better than that, because you know the game. Oh, halftime. What do you mean? You know the game. Come on, y'all.